with our own experiences with digitalization, etc., that to make some global exchange. Of course, we are very much interested how it's going on, what are the effective models globally, and without some institutional support on the, I would say, headquarter level, and on, of course, regional level, you cannot expect full efficiency. Key steps that towards to that successful cooperation is the signing of agreement with yourself today, and then when we have this signed agreement and approved budget, of course, we can really start acting.
Kazakhstan is not only the birthplace of the declarations, but you are walking the talk. Congratulations. I mean, what you're telling me is amazing. To double the budget to 5% of the GDP on health, and then spending up to 60% on primary healthcare and public health. This is a very, very clear benchmark. In that sense, I also agree that we could look to an action plan or strategy which goes beyond the 2 years. We have our biannual collaborative agreement, but we have a mechanism which is called country cooperation strategy, which we could align with the time frame of the National Healthcare Development Programme.